beans, it's Chu. I want to make this intro as fast as I can because the video is actually a little bit long. So I'm going to be showing you everything that I'm bringing with me to camp for 2 months. And the reason why it's not more is because, one, we have a washing machine, so I can do laundry once every week or so, or week and a half. Also, 2, we'll be able to go to Walmart every 2 weeks, so that makes it a little bit easier. And 3, I have to pack my things carefully because when we first get there, all of my things go into a heat chamber, and that means that I can't put like my rain boots or sandals or anything in the bag that will be going that's filled with clothes. Did that make sense? I hope so. Anyway, let's just get on started with the video. And as you'll see, I didn't pack jeans, and I didn't pack jeans or a sweater because that's what I'm gonna wear there, wrapped around my waist because it's gonna be super hot. I am not wearing a sweater, like, no. Anyway, let's just get started. So this is the bag that I'm going to take all my clothes in for summer camp. I ordered it online and I thought it would be bigger, but when it came, I was surprised at how small it was. I mean, the dimensions were listed, but you know, I don't know. It's just really small. So the first things I'm gonna pack are 2 towels and a silk pillowcase to keep my hair looking nice. Then comes all my pants, and as you can see, I brought a lot of pants. Most of them are yoga pants that are either long or, you know, like capris. And I also bought a pair of sweatpants just in case it gets cold. And that's most of my pants. I'm also bringing a pair of knee-length shorts and shorts that are a little bit shorter. There is a dress policy, so I'm straying away from shorts this time. Then comes the shirts, and I just brought a ton of different shirts in a lot of different colors. I know a lot of people would normally like make the outfits before they pack, but I just brought all of my because on one of my videos I said brang and people like freaked out on me, and to this day I still get comments about that. So I brought a whole bunch of random colored shirts and shorts that are just comfortable because nobody has time for matching. Like, we're gonna be in the middle of nowhere, rustic, so yeah. Next are my pajamas, and I'm literally bringing 1 pair of pajamas. Look at how cute those pants are. I'll probably use one of my other yoga pants to sleep in, but whatever. Here's my little raincoat and a little light sweater just in case, you know, stuff happens. And then here are my bras, my underwear, and socks, but you don't really need to see that, so I'm just gonna pull it off the screen after you admire all the cute patterns on those socks. Yes, so cute, so cute. Then I'm bringing a wet bag, a washcloth, a belt, and just a regular little bag to keep stuff in. And now you can watch me pack it. I'm not even gonna lie, it was so difficult to put all of that in. Even though I rolled it all, I heard that rolling prevents wrinkles, but honestly, I don't really notice a big difference from rolling in comparison to like folding, but I rolled it anyway in an attempt to save some space. But either way, I struggled to fit it all in there, as you will see as the video goes on. But I just put the towels at the bottom, and then pants, and then shirts, just because I thought that would make more sense to go from largest items to smaller items. Now for this side pocket, I'm just putting my bathing suit and all of my underwear, and then just closing that up. Now for this side, basically what I did was I took all of my socks, or as many socks as I could, and just rolled them up kind of like I rolled my clothes, and I stuffed them in my shoes because either way the shoes aren't going to fold down completely flat, so just fill them with socks to save some space. And then I literally shoved them into the side pocket, and by miracle got the pocket closed. Then I'm just taking that little material bag that you saw earlier and putting all my bras in there just to keep them all organized. And there's my dog. He's cute. But let's just shove all those in there and then shove it in my bag because, you know. And that bag is done. Now here are all of my toiletries. I have a bunch of stuff. If you want to see the specifics, you can pause the video and kind of stare at it. But I just have my lantern and, you know, stuff that I'll need. Conditioner, shampoo, baby powder, deodorant, definitely some bug spray and some sunscreen, some things for my hair, and some Uno cards for me and the kids to play with. And a water bottle because, you know, you have to stay hydrated. And then some period products because obviously it's gonna happen and you have to be prepared. Look at how cute my dog is. Admire that face. So now you guys can watch me try to shove more things into little bags. I was trying to be organized, but you see, I had a lot of stuff. So, yeah. Also, just take a look at this clip. My dog is about to hold the toothpaste. Look at this, people. Come on. What's cuter than that? Look. Look at that face. He was holding it so gently. Look at that. That is the highlight of this video. The highlight of this video. That is like, perfect. That just made the whole video. Give this a thumbs up because he's so cute. Anyway, I have some shower flip-flops, and I also bought a pair of rain boots because I don't want to mess up my sneakers. And then to save some space in my backpack, I'm going to just shove some of my toiletries in my rain boots because that kind of makes sense. You know, save some space. The boots are big. I could have probably shoved something where the toes are, but that's going a little bit extra. And now, once again, you can watch me just kind of shove everything into this backpack. I did end up bringing some more hair products, like a brush, not just a comb, and some hair oil. But other than that, I didn't really pack much more than what you see in this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful if you're going to be a camp counselor yourself, or if you just want to know what I'm packing. That's cool too. But either way, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, or whatever you want to do, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! It's kind of awkward.